What's the meaning of brindle? Brindle. Brindle.
Brindle. Brindle. Brindle is a word used to describe a coat pattern found in animals, particularly dogs. It refers to a coat that is made up of multiple shades of the same color, often appearing in stripes or patches. The base color of the coat may be black, brown, or a reddish tone, with darker stripes or spots creating a unique and distinctive appearance. This pattern is most commonly seen in certain breeds, such as boxers or greyhounds, although it can occur in any breed. Brindle coloring is considered desirable by some breeders and fanciers, adding an extra layer of beauty and individuality to certain animals.